Hello friends, welcome to my kanji class. We will learn some more new kanji in this session. Let's start today's session. Today we will learn lesson 18. Let's start today's session. In today's session we are going to learn these kanjis. Okay? What you are getting from this picture? In this picture someone is wake up, it means morning time. In this picture sun is above our head, so it is afternoon. And here it is something, sun is going down and going to set, so it is evening time, no? And shadow also so long, no? Next, this is the night time. Moon, stars all are on the sky. Hope you can get the meaning of all kanjis. But do you know how to write it? Do you know what is the kunyomi and onyomi? Do you know those vocabularies? Not yet. Let's start without wasting time. Meaning of the kanji: morning, kunyomi asa, onyomi cho. There are so many stroke orders over here. Please don't fear. It is not that much difficult. Please follow the stroke orders while you are writing the kanji. This kanji we already learned in our previous class. This is zu, means 10. This is also same. This is he, sun, we learn, and this is chuki, moon. We already learned in our previous lesson. So, after the night, a morning comes. Think that way to remember this kanji. Okay? So, ju, he, ju, chuki. It means morning, asa, and onyomi, cho. Okay? If you think that way, it will be easy to remember kanji, and also you don't feel difficult. Okay? I don't know why people saying that kanji is very difficult. Really, I love kanji. Say after me, asa. Asa. Once again, asa, meaning morning. Asahi. Asahi. Once again, asahi, meaning the morning sun. Chosoku. Chosoku. Once again, chosoku, meaning breakfast. Maiasa. Maiasa. Once again, maiasa, meaning every morning. Meaning of the kanji: noon or daytime, kunyomi hiru, onyomi chu. Okay? Yes, this kanji also looks like little bit difficult, but it is easy. There is he kanji is there, sun, and this is ichi kanji. Okay? In every day we have one time, noon or daytime. No, noon time is once we have in every day. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it while you are writing the kanji. It will help you to memorize. Hiru. Hiru. Once again, hiru, meaning noon or daytime. Hirune. Hirune. Once again, hirune, meaning nap. Chusoku. Chusoku. Once again, chusoku, meaning lunch. Hiruyasumi. Hiruyasumi. Once again, hiruyasumi, meaning lunch break. Meaning of the kanji: night, kunyomi yoru or yo, onyomi ya. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it while you are writing the kanji. Yoru. Yoru. Once again, Yoru meaning night. Yonaka. Yonaka. Once again, Yonaka meaning midnight. Yakan. Yakan. Once again, Yakan meaning night time. Konya. Konya. Once again, Konya meaning tonight. Meaning of the kanji night, no kunyomi, onyomi, ban. Stroke orders are given over here. Please follow it when you writing the kanji. This is he kanji, san kanji, you already know. This is katakana ku type of things, no? Katakana ku, we are writing this way. So, half of the things, this much, no? You can get it. Then it is looks like a standing person, no? This way you can remember the kanji. So, night, follow the stroke orders when you are writing a kanji because you never missed it. Ban, ban, once again, ban meaning night. Ban gohan, ban gohan, once again, ban gohan meaning dinner. Sakuban, sakuban, once again, sakuban meaning last night. Hitoban jiu, hitoban jiu, once again, hitoban jiu meaning all night long. Next kanji, it is very simple, meaning evening. Kunyomi yu, there is no onium. It is looks like katakanata. I think it is easy to remember. Yugata, yugata, once again, yugata meaning early evening. Tanabata, tanabata, once again, tanabata meaning star festival. Yusoku, yusoku, once again, yusoku meaning dinner. Meaning of the kanji, direction, way, means. Kunyomi, kata, gata, onyomi, ho. Please follow the stroke orders while you are writing the kanji. Kata, kata. Once again, kata, meaning how to. Yomi kata, how to read. Kaki kata, how to write. Chukuri kata, how to make. This way, okay? Comes, let's. Chukuri kata. Chukuri kata. Once again, chukuri kata meaning how to make. Yugata. Yugata. Once again, yugata meaning evening. Ho ho. Ho ho. Once again, ho ho meaning method. Now it is quiz time. Here I have given some sentence. Please read it. It will enhance your kanji knowledge and also it will help you how to read kanji in a sentence, and also it help you in your JLPT exam, because in JLPT exam when you read a paragraphs sakubum, there you find kanji, and also when you read a sentence also, maybe any questionnaire, there also you find kanji. So try to learn kanji along with the sentence. Asa dekakete yugata uchi ni kaeru. Watashi wa mai asa nihon no shinbun mo yomimasu. Kono daiga kuno hiruyasumiwa 45分です。水曜日は朝から晩まで忙しいです。明日までにこのレポートを書かなければなりません。日本が昼の時、ブラジルは夜だ。Here, I have given some words in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning of those words. I think you find this class useful. Hope this lesson give you some more knowledge to enhance your kanji. Just click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think it will help them to enhance their knowledge. Thank you to watching this class. Let's meet in next class with some more new kanji. Till that time, sayonara. Goodbye.